Hi everybody, this is Daryl. Daryl goes shopping. And of course I've been shopping. This is a haul of summer fashion from primarily Temu, but we got a couple of Shein pieces mixed in there. I don't have a whole ton of stuff, but you're probably relieved to hear that, huh? I've had some pretty gigantic hauls lately, and so while I am expecting more things, right now it seems like a good place to pop a video in, and plus I want to wear them and I want to try them on. So let's go. Let's start with what I'm wearing. Have a couple of Starfish, and they are both from different stores. And so one of them is shinier than the other one, and one of them has a better way to shorten it, which I didn't do, obviously. But there you go. And I am gonna wear them in a layered way like this. I should just do that, shouldn't I? Okay, and then there's this shirt. I don't remember ordering it. I think it was one that was, like it said $2.99 a blind box. And I thought, yeah, I can go there. And I'm glad I did. This is really a nice feel fabric. Let me tell you what it is. Well, it's old polyester and elastane. But it is really cozy feeling. It's not like hot polyester-ish. It feels really like cotton. And I like how far the arms come out. They kind of cover up the little blips right here. And then these shorts, yes, they are very cute, but they are very short. And I think that they'll be fine. I would wear them on a cruise or on vacation or in my backyard. But here's the deal. I don't know if anything's actually sticking out there, but it's pretty darn close. But I do think they're super cute, and they are like cotton or a cotton-like fabric with a drawstring. These are from Shein, and I do like kind of a little sort of cheeky cotton shorts, and I love this color. I think it's just a great neutral. So what else can I try on? I'm going to put these on, and this really needs to be what I thought I got, and this is from Shein, and this is a little skirt, and I just didn't think it was going to be quite this small, and I didn't think it was going to be quite this pattern, but let's take a look at it and see what it looks like. I think I thought this was going to be more of a chambray, and again we've got this problem here. This isn't quite as short as the shorts are. I mean, these are shorts, but when you've got this much room there, it's not really covering anything up. I do think that they are still cute, although probably not something I would wear around my neighborhood. Just, I think it works okay with this t-shirt. It kind of tones it down a little bit and makes it a little less girly. I feel like I should pirouette or something. I want to try this shirt on with a different pair of pants, but I thought it went well with these. These are just these Gauze summer cotton pants. I've been ordering them all down a size, so they're a size large, which I like because the extra larges were just getting to be, they just were too big. So the little grayish shorts are a large, and the skirt is a large as well, and these are a large. top is an extra large, and it's perfect. It's everything I hoped it would be. I was hoping it would be a more substantial lace, and it is. It's just absolutely stunning. I would buy it in every color. And I like the fact that it is shorter, but it is not too short. And I'm gonna try it on with these jeans that I got, and I don't know, I have this vision going, but we'll see what it is. So this is the third shirt like this that I have. I have it in white and I have it in pink, and I really wanted it in brown for fall. So I could only find it in plus sizes, so I thought I'd take a chance and order it on the 0X size. So this is a 0XL, which I think fits about the same as just the extra large and the regular sizing. You can see it's not hugely giant. I think the color is beautiful. All right, so I meant to apologize for all the outside noise. My husband is power washing the driveway, and now I think he's cleaning the debris off the side of the house, and so I'm sorry, it's loud. I closed all the windows. But here we go. The show must go on. This is far more important. I have got this shirt in a couple of colors, and it appears to come in a couple of different sizes. And because the first one I got, which was Apricot, was very stretchy and very oversized. And then, so I purchased the next one, which was green, in a medium to accommodate that. And it came in a stiffer fabric, more like this one, and while it fits, but it is, I'm not even going to say it's a shrunken fit. Probably fits the way it's supposed to. But so I went in the middle on this one and got a large. And as you can see now, it's not as oversized as the Apricot one was. But it's not as small as the medium was. But I don't know. I think that different vendors just have different patterns. Needless to say, I love all of them, all three of them, absolutely. Look at this, isn't it beautiful? Now I've been working on getting a new bra that is my skin color. And as you can see, I'm getting closer. I thought this was going to be the one, and I think it's okay to wear. It doesn't bother me at all. I would rather have this underneath this pink shirt than a bright white bra, because to me that just is like. So I did get this new bra, and it's beautiful. I sized down in it as well to a large, and I'm really, really happy with it. And then these came from Shein, and it's a bunch of dainty things. I got 4 of them, and I probably should have sized down in those too. I got them in an extra large. But probably the first time I wash them, they will be. So, a couple other things. I got the True wireless headset. I think it was a blind box. And then I got these clippers, and these were a blind box as well, but they were something like, they've been discounted to 99%. But they will definitely come in handy. And last of all then is the jeans and another shirt. Yikes. Sounds like an earthquake out there. So I am not too sure about these jeans. They're very oversized, and they're meant to be. I'm gonna hang tight until he's done doing this.